Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com, and in front of us we have the euro and the US dollar in a possible buying area, possible bouncing area, possible, let's say, area for a call option to be traded. And I would like to argue a bit on this, let's say, setup and what we are looking for from this very moment on. Normally, I would say that the whole move that started from the lows and all the way to the upside is an impulsive move, but not this time, because as you already know by now, it is a move that is channeling too well. If it is channeling too well, then we should look for market to, let's say, be corrective. But if it is corrective, then it must retrace more than 61.8. Well, we just had the retracement. If you go and measure the length of the move, 61.8 was 0.881 market, now it is 0.886 after dipping into 0.870 something, and just like that we have our corrective wave back. Now if this is the corrective wave to the downside, normally it should be labeled, or this one should be labeled as wave A. And the whole move to the downside here should be labeled as the B wave. That being the case, the B wave must be a corrective wave on its own. In order to be a corrective wave on its own, we might already have a so-called small falling wedge in here, from here to here, like this. And from here to here. It is not mandatory for the falling wedge to go and break, or for price to go and break the 1 to 3 trend line. What it is mandatory is to end in the zigzag in approximately the same time like wave A. So we are talking about here the time taken for the wedge, or this wedge, if it is complete at current levels. And if you take it and project it over the beginning of this move, like this, and you project it from the beginning of this move like this, we have an approximately, or an educated guess regarding the structure of the whole B wave in red. And this structure of the B wave in red seems to be a zigzag. In order to be a zigzag, then we must look at the 0 to be trend line and the time taken for it to be broken, like this. And all in all, we should only be interested in buying call options on the euro US dollar from the current level, and the expiration date, taking into account the fact that we are on the 26th of May, the expiration date should be end of month expiration date, namely on Friday, something like 3 days from now, 17 GMT, this option should expire in the money. So call options, or end of month call options for euro US dollar, current price is 0.887, with the expiration date 17/10 GMT, as this is the expiration date that is being offered by the vast majority of binary option brokers. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great day. Quite a bullish euro US dollar from here. Bye bye.